I wanted to show you how the Bermuda Bay pigment sprinkles work. And I'm also using a sheet from the Flowering Foils, only available with the 2020 celebration. And I'm using the Bermuda Bay. And I'm going to open it up. See, there's tiny holes in there, and that powder will just come out. Oh, isn't that pretty? It's so much fun. And this has a little bit of copper in it too. And then it's just spray with a little bit more water. And then I'm going to take a napkin just to pick up that extra water. Peel that back. The longer you let it sit, you know, the more color you're going to get. I'm doing this pretty quick, so isn't that pretty?